In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and organize files using Google Drive effectively. This step-by-step guide will walk you through accessing and arranging shared files so you can make sure everything is exactly where you need it. Let's get started. To begin, you'll want to open up Google Drive and log into your account. If you haven't created an account yet, now would be a good time to do so. It's free and very simple. Logging in will direct you to your main Drive interface, which is designed to be user-friendly. You'll notice several sections on the left panel that help keep everything organized. Now, let's focus on files that have been shared with you by others. Click the section on the left labeled Shared with Me. This section will give you a clear view of all the files and folders that others have shared with you over time. Having quick access to this list is very handy for managing collaborations and shared projects. Once you have located the files you're interested in, the next step is to right-click on the selected files. You will see a variety of options appear, but for our purposes here, you should click Make a Copy. This will generate copies of these files within the same shared folder, and each copy will be prefixed with Copy Of to help you differentiate them from the originals. Creating copies is a great way to work with files independently without affecting the original versions, especially when you need to make edits or test changes. It also allows you to move or organize files without altering the shared settings, keeping your workspace neat and tidy. After you've made copies of any necessary files, navigate to My Drive in the left-hand panel. The My Drive section is essentially like your personal filing cabinet in Google Drive. Here, you can arrange your copied files into folders or categories that make sense for you and your workflow. It's a good habit to regularly organize your Google Drive space, as it helps to prevent clutter and keeps all your important documents easily accessible. That wraps up our guide on managing shared files using Google Drive. By following these steps, you'll have more control over your documents and improve your organizational system. Remember, having a tidy digital space can greatly improve productivity and reduce the time spent searching for important files. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Stay organized and have a great time exploring the many features that Google Drive offers.